We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with GETR, Get Around Inc. And we're going to break down some key levels in today's chart, how it's actually bouncing off the 52-week low, and what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But GETR stock was not the only stock pushing up higher today. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:15 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, into the bell and after the bell, and call options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with GETR trying to push up higher, retest the highs of the pre-market of 44 cents here in the after hours. We're going to break it all down in today's video, what the inflow versus outflow is showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Apple bot. Our Apple bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:30 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with GETR stock doing a full transition from red bars to bright green bars, as I call extreme strength on 42 vision. And it's continuing the bright green bars here in the after hours. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with GETR stock under a bull indicator today in the pre-market, and inflows above the midpoint. Even though it came back towards it, it's pulling away from it here in the second half of the day and in the after hours at 0.09. But as we see it here, it is crucial and critical to not ignore the bigger picture, because when you zoom out, it hit lows here in a 52-week low of about 20 cents to 23 cent area. And that's the lowest that this stock has gone since it IPO'd and went public, right? So here we are with inflows actually crossing over the most significant amount, hitting highs here in the pre-market today of inflows of 0.17. And the highest point that it reached that level the last time it was back in January, and it didn't even reach that level. That's the highest inflows. It hit 0.15, and that we're now hitting 0.17 here within the charts. This is something to not ignore and overlook, because that's within the 30-minute time frame. We have a bull indicator. There was support formed here at around 29 cents, and it's pushing back up here towards the 43 to 41 cent area in the after hours. And it's crucial and critical to not ignore the 1 hour as well, it got a bull indicator, it's above the midpoint, and most importantly, when we zoom out and look at this from the even bigger picture on the 4-hour chart, you could see here that things have gotten very, very volatile, but to the upside with strength, right? These inflows are at the highest point ever at 0.17, crossing the midpoint, and it's the first bull indicator that we get with actual significant strength. Now, does this guarantee or mean it's going to go higher than this, or it could go higher than this into the next few days? No, but it is something to not ignore. And live right now within the video, at the time of this recording, the stock has bounced up to a new high here in the after hours of 43 cents. If it breaks through that towards that 45 plus cent area, it's going to be new highs that we've seen in the day and in the after hours, and the highest points that we've seen since way back here in March, right? So here we are with a stock that is a penny stock, hitting a 52-week low, bouncing off of it, and having bull indicators on multiple time frames, and having volume above the average, right? The average 10-day volume is 2 million, and today it's had 10 times that at 21 million in volume. So here we are with it pushing up under bull indicators, full strength on 42 vision. Inflows are above the midpoint, and I'm going to share with you guys what are the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. So the first thing is support, guys. 40 cents is a key support level. If that gets broken through and these outflows begin and it crosses the midpoint, that could quickly start to reflect into the charts here on the 30-minute, possibly even canceling out this bull indicator. And the next support below that is the 34-cent area, where things were ranging for most of the day. And then below that comes the 30-cent area. And then we have to reassess and see what's going on within the charts. If it goes to those levels, will the bulls reappear, or do the pairs actually tear this one down? Now, to the upside, the first resistance level, since we're up here at the 43-cent area, it's going to be a tight area, and it's going to be the 45-cent area. And we need to see the 15-minute continue with these inflows higher, and not just here on the 15-minute, but also here on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour, continuing to push up higher away from the midpoint, guys. It is up here at 0.14 above the midpoint, but something to not ignore on the larger time frames is for those inflows to continue to have strength and weight over the charts to the upside, so that within the volatility, the 1 hour is still holding things up. That is something to not ignore and overlook within the charts. I'm going to be watching that very closely there on the inflows. And above 45 cents, then comes the 48-cent area. And if that gets broken through, then comes the 50-cent area. And if 50 cents gets broken through, we'll have to reassess and see what's going on within the charts at those newer levels. But those are the key levels I would watch going to the upside and to the downside going into tomorrow. And these inflows are going to be critical and crucial as they are above the midpoint. There is full strength here on 42 vision. A bounce based off of what we see from the 52-week lows down here near it at the 25-23 cent area. And we have multiple bull indicators so far and no bear indicators. And that's going to be important as well. We want these bull indicators to continue strong, to continue that staircase effect to the upside. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.